Up first this evening, the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, has weighed in on the shooting incident involving a police officer and a bus driver in Spalding, Clarendon yesterday. The shooting continues to dominate discussions, with persons questioning the actions of both the bus driver and the police. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has the latest.
Dramatic scenes in Spalding, Clarendon on Tuesday. Videos from various angles of the incident plastered all over social media. It is therefore no surprise that the many viewing eyes included those of Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang. He reasons the incident is a reminder of how the state has failed to properly equip police officers, or as he puts it, giving them basket to carry water.
From a security point of view, if you examine it, you had a police officer in uniform, so he shouldn't be attacked. Cannot condone that. But all he was armed with was a sidearm. Regular police sidearm. So under attack, he has no choice but to use his firearm. A modern police force, he should have had a vest, and we should have had a camera that he has control of. Should have had at least a taser, which is a non-lethal activity. He could have had a pepper spray or a small canister of tear gas that they can use, as well as what you'd call a modern baton.
So what became of the government's plan to equip members of the JCF with non-lethal gear and body cameras?
We're getting our own cameras. Part of this year, but we are carrying cameras. The PSTB branch will be equipped with cameras throughout the island. And cameras, as we see it in the force, is something that is used to improve the services. Because if you have a camera, you can review what happened to see where it might have gone wrong.
The minister also feels there's a culture of disrespect and disregard for authority that is mushrooming among sections of the population, and a reminder of this was on display in the Spalding incident. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.